Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Visiting the Nine Arch Bridge is one of my dreams. I have wanted to see it for a long time. It's like a dream come true. The Nine Arch Bridge is very close to the town of Ella. From the main street of Ella, it will take you about 30 minutes on foot, or alternatively, you can take a tuk-tuk directly to the bridge. Another option, you can walk down on the rail track from Ella station until you reach the tunnel and then the bridge right after it. I recommend hiking down to the Nine Arches Bridge for the nature lover, and it's more of an adventure to get there rather than sitting in the back of a tuk-tuk. You don't have to purchase tickets, it's a journey on foot. Its beauty can be increased if you could see a train moving along the bridge. So try to look for the local train time and adjust your visit. I think the train passes the bridge about 6 times a day. I recommend you to get there in the morning around 9 am. Do ask your guest house or hotel about the current train times. My favorite part has to be the little journey you take on foot to reach the train tracks and the bridge. But if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can trek down underneath the bridge. It's a little bit steep downhill, but it's so rewarding. When you're down there and you look up at the architectural marvel. But I didn't go, but many people were going. Near the bridges, there were many small shops. They were selling king coconuts, cones, and many more light foods and drinks. Ella town was very busy and tight because there were local and foreign tourists. If you want to book rooms in Ella, make sure to book as much as earlier, because we had a tough time to book rooms because it was fully booked. There were many adventurous places in Ella, but we couldn't pay a visit to all of those. Then next we visited Dunhinda waterfall. Dunhinda waterfall is situated about 5 kilometers away from Badulla town. It is 63 meters high and is considered to be one of the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. There is a narrow footpath leading people towards the waterfall and care should be taken along the way. On the way, there is a ticket counter and you need to obtain a ticket to proceed. Currently, 30 rupees or 40 rupees is charged per person. A footpath towards the waterfall is sidelined by various vendors selling food and drinks. Therefore, the footpath is usually not lonely, but at some points it is very narrow and would have to take care of yourself. There are also quite a few monkeys in that area, so hold on your things well. I think it takes about 45 minutes to get to the waterfall, but the view is worth and the effort get a big reward when you did it. After completing the distance of 2 kilometers, you can see the beauty of the Dunhinda waterfall. Some people went deep down itself. Usually people go up to the balcony to see the view of the waterfall. I didn't go deep down, but my husband went and slightly wetted his legs. It's not that easy to go deep down because we have to walk on the big rocks. In one day itself, we went 2 hiking, which was very tiring. These are one of my favorite trips. It was really an amazing trip. Though we were very tired, the experience was so nice. Then we returned back home along Mahayangana Road. And I would like to say a thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have not already subscribed, click subscribe now and also click the little bell icon so that you get notified the next video that I publish. Thanks once again for watching.
Original raw na illa udah. Harapan ini. Pasti. Jadi sama. Ya.